Instead, it is being taken up by, remember, it is being taken up by NADP to form the NADPH, isn't it? Okay, all right. So this is what we call as the non-cyclic photophosphorylation. Okay. Now, so these are not the oxide ions, these are the oxygen atoms. So two molecules of water get broken down to produce oxygen, O2, 1 mole of O2. But here we are showing that one molecule of water is getting broken down. So instead of writing O, we should write half O2. Okay. Now, so we have got NADPH as our product. Now, how is the ATP produced? Okay. So look, we are getting hydrogen ions from photolysis of water. Then our cytochrome B6 is transporting protons down the concentration against the concentration gradient from the stroma to the thylakoid lumen. So the thylakoid lumen has now a huge supply of protons, okay, both due to activity of the cytochrome B6, isn't it, and due to the photolysis of water. Okay. Now these hydrogen ions have so there is now very small amount of hydrogen ion in the stroma, but there is lot of hydrogen ion in the thylakoid space lumen. Okay. So now hydrogen ion travels down the concentration gradient through the ATP synthase. So as the hydrogen ion travels down the concentration gradient from the lumen to the thylakoid, from the lumen to the stroma, okay, then the ATP synthase rotates and produces the ATP synthase, it rotates and produces ATP from ADP. Okay. The ADP and phosphate groups are already present near the ATP synthase, but to join these ADP and phosphate together, we need the ATP synthase to rotate. Just like when water motor is present,